Credit card versus debit card in 2025. Which one makes you richer? You swipe every day. But what if I told you? One card makes you richer and the other, it silently bleeds your bank account. Credit card versus debit card in 2025. What's the smarter choice? Let's break it down. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never use both the same way again. Spending psychology. Here's the truth. With debit cards, you spend your own money. With credit cards, you spend borrowed money, and psychology kicks in. Studies show you're 30% more likely to overspend with a credit card. Why? Because there's no pain of money leaving instantly. That $8 coffee? $200 sneakers. You swipe, delay the regret. And boom, debt. But wait. That doesn't mean credit cards are bad. Used right, they're a secret weapon. Rewards, cashback and free travel? His is where debit cards fall short. Credit cards give you rewards, 2% cashback, free flights, hotel upgrades, Apple points, Amazon credits, you name it. Spent $1,000 this month, your credit card could give you $20 back. Your debit card? Nothing. Not even a thank you. Interest in the credit score game. But here's the trap. Miss a credit card payment, and boom, 29% interest, penalties, your credit score crashes. But use it right. Pay in full every month. Keep utilization under 30%. Never miss deadlines. And now your credit score grows. That means cheaper car loans, mortgage approvals, even better job offers. Your debit card can't build credit. But your credit card? It builds your financial reputation. Safety and fraud protection. Let's talk scams. Someone steals your debit card, they're draining your money. With a credit card, they're spending the bank's money, not yours. And most credit cards have zero liability fraud protection. Safer, smarter, better. So which one is better in 2025? If you're reckless, credit cards will drown you in debt. But if you're smart, they'll reward you, boost your credit, protect your purchases, and literally make you richer over time. Use credit cards for planned spending. Use debit cards for tight budgets or emergencies. The real money hack: use both, like a financial ninja. Credit for growth, debit for control. Now tell me in the comments, which one do you use more, and why? Hit like, subscribe to Invested Battles, and swipe smarter.